Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Charge the case and AirPods to a healthy level so pairing is uninterrupted. Bring your iPhone or iPad close and open the case. This triggers the setup animation. If nothing appears, press and hold the small button on the back of the case until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. You do this because stable battery and active pairing mode prevent dropped connections and ensure the device exchanges identification and firmware info cleanly. Once paired, you'll configure controls and audio for daily use. Open Bluetooth or the AirPods card and choose between noise control and transparency. Pick what fits your environment. Next, go to Settings to assign press and hold or press actions for noise control or Siri. You do this so controls match your habits. Also enable spatial audio and headphone accommodations if you want immersive sound and tailored EQ. These steps optimize clarity, battery use, and how the AirPods respond to your hands and ears. To finish, verify fit and active noise cancellation with the ear tip fit test. A proper seal helps ANC and bass response. Test calls and media volume to ensure both sides play and spatial audio tracks head movement. If you hit a snag, one bud won't connect or ANC fails, reset the case by holding the back button for 15 seconds and repair. This clears pairing caches. Make sure charging contacts and ear tips are clean and seated to avoid false faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.